What's going on, everyone? RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S7. This is the Boost mobile version of the S7. So let's go ahead and look around here on this box. So it's the black onyx, as you see there. On the back does show some specs. It shows it's 4G LTE plus compatible. 64-bit quad-core processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, a 5.1 inch Quad HD Super AMOLED 12 megapixel dual pixel main camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera, IP68 dust and water resistance, wireless charging, 32 gigabytes of memory with support for external micro SD card, Samsung Pay, and of course Android operating system. Let's go ahead here and pull this out here, and we'll open this box. And on top is the really nice Samsung Galaxy S7. So we'll go ahead and pull this out here, set this to the side for a moment, and we'll see what comes in the box. So up top here, you got a SIM ejection tool there. And of course, it looks like all your booklets and everything is in here. Your Boost mobile getting started guide and all of that stuff there. And here you have micro USB charging cable, as well as your Samsung wall adapter there. You got this here as well, your USB connector there, and here you do have some earbuds. So really nice stuff there that comes in the box, really neatly packaged and everything. So I'll go ahead here, put everything back in the box, and we'll take a look at the phone. Okay, so holding it in my hand right off the bat, I am loving it already. The feel of it, the way this thing looks, it just looks awesome, looks amazing. Let's go ahead here and peel off this plastic. Off the back there, and now off the front. Just like that there, and this thing looks amazing, y'all. I know this is an older phone. It's the Galaxy S7, and it's been out, you know, the Galaxy S8 and all like that. But, you know, this phone right here is all new to me, and so far I am loving it. So in the front here, of course, you got your Samsung branding, having some sensors up there, and of course your receiver, front-facing camera, your home button there, which of course is a fingerprint sensor, and of course your back and recents button down here. On the bottom is your micro USB charging port, headset jack, microphone, and speaker. On the right side here is of course your power button. On top you do have your SIM and SD card slot up there. Secondary mic. On the left, you have your spaced volume rocker. I love how spaced that is. On the back here, of course, is your camera, your flash, your S7, and Samsung branding there. So, yes, I'm loving it. Loving the curve feel of it. It's just really nice. Let's go ahead and give this phone here its first boot up. So we got Samsung Galaxy S7 there. Really anxious to try this phone out on Boost Mobile. You know, this phone was kind of a spur of the moment buy. So, you know, and I got it a whole lot sooner than I thought I was going to get it. I got it within like 2 days of ordering it, and it's supposed to be like a week before I got it. So I'm glad to see it in my hands now. Up top there was really nice to see a notification light as well. So, yeah, so far this thing is feeling very solid in the hand. It does feel kind of small. It does. But, you know, other than that, so far, yes, I'm loving it. So I'll get it all set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, now we're all set up and ready to go. Now, I got the fingerprint sensor set up, and to me, this one here feels more responsive and more reliable than the S6. The S6 was good, but there was times I had a hard time getting my fingerprint. I got the screen turned down as well, so it'll be easier to see on camera. Now, it's currently downloading some updates, so we've got the drop down here, of course. And typical stuff here, blue light filter, location, private mode, got NFC, performance mode, flashlight, all kinds of stuff like that. And always on display, smart view, phone visibility, and, you know, all that really neat stuff here on this device. Now, scrolling through here, over here you got briefing, and briefing seems to lag the phone down. I can scroll here, and there's times it feels like it's just, I don't know, slow. So hopefully I can disable that. I really don't know. Got your phone dialer down here, and just typical phone dialer. And of course you have your messages here with your Samsung keyboard. So we'll pull that up there. Really nice looking keyboard. Of course, your emojis are right here, and there are plenty of them to choose from. So of course, there is no shortage here in the emoji department. So let's go ahead now, and we will go to the app drawer here. There's not a whole lot on here. Of course, when you activate it on Boost Mobile, all the Boost stuff will come on there. And so we'll have to get rid of all of that. Got your Google folder here, Samsung stuff here, your Galaxy apps, internet, Samsung Gear, My Files, S Health, S Voice, and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and go into settings here. Now, I always have liked this Grace UI. I just always have. It looks really clean, looks really nice, and I've always liked the way this looks. So you got connections here, hotspot and tethering, sound and vibrations, notifications, display. You have brightness, auto adjust brightness, blue light filter, screen mode. You got adaptive display, AMOLED cinema, AMOLED photo, and basic, and color balance. You can change the resolution of the screen from 1440 to 1080 to 720. That's going to really help out in battery life as well. Now, got your wallpapers and themes, advanced features. You got smart stay, games, identify spam numbers, one-handed mode, quick launch camera by pressing the home key twice, multi-window, smart capture, and all of this stuff right here that you can see. Video enhancer, enhance the image quality of your videos. Really nice stuff there. This thing is full of stuff. This thing's got a whole bunch of features on it. Device maintenance, so you can go in here and of course boost your maintenance on your phone. You got battery, performance mode, storage, and memory. So performance mode right now is optimized. You got storage. So out of 32 gigabytes, we have 22.4 gigabytes out of the box. So that's okay there. At least you can add an SD card to this phone, which is really nice. And about phone here, of course, you have, this phone does run 7.0 Nougat, as you see right there. And with an August of 2017 security patch level. So yeah, Nougat here. This phone, I am sure, will probably get Oreo. So far, I'm really liking it and everything. Let's go to the camera for a brief minute. We'll scroll over here. You got a lot of modes. You got auto mode, pro mode, panorama, selective focus, slow motion, hyperlapse, food, virtual shot, video collage, and live broadcast. Really nice to be able to go live directly from your camera app on your Samsung phone. Swipe this way here, and you got all these effects here. Hard to see it here, but you got deep, pastel, monogram, film, retro, sunrise, gold, and nostalgia. Really nice stuff there as well. Now up top here you got HDR, auto, you got your flash. You put your camera around right there. Down here is a beauty mode or a skin tone mode. And now up here you will see this phone has a 12 megapixel camera, and it goes down from there. You can save RAW and JPEG files. Now this also records in Ultra HD, QHD, Full HD 60 frames, and Full HD, and it goes down from there. You got shape correction. Front camera here is a 5 megapixel camera, and on the front you can record in QHD and in Full HD, and it drops down from there as well. Now the front camera, of course, looks very good on my end. Looks very crisp, very clear, very sharp. And you can swipe this way again, get selfie, wide selfie, virtual shot, video collage, and live broadcast. And the same effects here as well. And of course, got your HDR mode, flash, stuff like that. So really nice stuff there as well. So this is just my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S7. So if this was helpful and informative, you enjoyed seeing this on my channel, be sure to hit that like button. Any questions or comments you may have, leave it down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all in the next video.